Right, I'm partway into my wardrobe renovation. I tried this morning one door in the Ronseal one coat high gloss white cupboard paint. It said it can go over MDF, plywood, anything like that, but that was the result. Quite patchy. And it's supposed to be one coat. I decided it wasn't good enough. It's actually quite sticky, and I used just under 1/4 tin just doing that one door. And as you can see, I got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 doors here to do. So I decided to go to my local DIY store and buy some primer undercoat. I got a big tin, a cheap tin, one of the their own brand. I didn't worry too much about getting an expensive one because it's going to go underneath, but I thought, right. So far I've primed 4 doors at the minute. This one I'm just going to obviously do a second coat of high gloss. I think it'll be fine once I've done that. But these I'm priming at the moment, so if you're going to do something like this, I suggest you do the same, because that once cupboard gloss from Ronseal is no good as a one coat straight on top of bare wood. It sucks it up too much, it's too sticky, it doesn't spread very easily, so I wouldn't advise it. I'd definitely prime it first. Okay.